Daffodil Crescent. You want to run down there?
If you want to, sure.
So there's a whole bunch in this area, so we're gonna stop at another unscheduled here.
Yeah.
I mean, the last one was good, so we might as well. Let's go.
Okay. Hi, kitty. What you doing in there?
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
That's a big one. That's a boy kitty, I bet.
Oh yeah, that is definitely a boy.
Hi, kitty, kitty. Hi, sweetie. Did you come to say hello? Oh, aren't you pretty?
Oh, hello.
Hi. Yeah. Such a tiny meow.
Just comes right over.
Hi, guys.
Yeah.
What's up?
Bye, kitty.
Looks like some old skis.
Oh, they're selling hot coffee here.
Oh. Those old skis are kind of neat.
Yeah. This is an easel. Yeah.
Yeah. That's cool.
What? The easel?
No, the glass.
Oh, yeah. That vase for $5.
I think it's chipped at the top here. Got tipped over. Or is that... No?
No, that's just where the spiral ends.
Oh.
There's nothing wrong with that vase.
It's neat,
It's
but
big.
it is big. Oh, 55.
Oh, 55.
Oh, is that her original box? Is that a kewpie?
I think so.
Might be a kewpie. Brings
Collectible.
I wonder if they go down. Oh, that's looks like it's in excellent condition. Well, oh, she's missing a finger.
She's missing a finger. What's that?
I don't know. Kewpie. She is Kewpie.
185.
Campbell Kids. Oh, maybe she's a Campbell kid. I don't know. It's hard to
Like
say.
Campbell soup?
Yeah.
It looks like.
Remember
it,
the boy
doesn't
and the
it?
girl?
Yeah.
Well, we'll see. We'll see. We'll
Okay.
see what's up with that.
Bring that with us?
Yeah.
Oh, here's the antiques table.
Oh, you found the. Oh, nice. Oh,
Yeah, we paid a lot less than that
Yeah.
the other week.
yeah. Oh, how much? 15. Nope. Oh, those are boxes. Soaps. What's that?
I'm thinking it might be Limoges, but
Bavaria. No.
okay.
That's a
What
nice
about that one?
one.
Look at the bottom of that. Oh, or not.
No.
Yeah, $30.
Plates
Yikes.
simply aren't worth that.
No, you're right. So what's the best you're willing to go on that?
I don't
40?
know. Yeah, I'd probably do 40. And she's missing a finger. Let's point that out.
Yeah.
That's her
she's-
eyebrow.
Okay.
Don't pick that off.
What are you looking at? Oh,
hold
the
on,
Victrola records.
Yeah.
How much are those?
5 for all.
Oh, I think we got to do that.
And this is what he was looking at them, but I wanted to get them for you to look at. Saskatchewan farmer. I don't know. It's a Saskatchewan thing. I just don't know what the date is on it. It's so fragile. I'm scared. And I can't really feel anything because my hands are so cold. I don't know where. There's no date or.
October 1st.
Oh, 1918. No. 45. I thought that was a 1, but it's a 4. I don't know.
So it's not very old. It's just in bad shape for its age. And this one.
Oh. Well, that's upside down. That's what threw me off.
Yeah.
Something school. Oh, it's just.
Like a little almanac kind of thing. 1884. Oh, no.
Since. Yeah, so that's just a cover. This is. Yeah, since then. So. It's not any older than that. But it is the Dominion.
Mm-hmm.
Oops, I'm not sure when we switched. So, I don't know if you're... No?
No.
Okay.
But the cylinders probably.
Yeah, I think so, hey? Now, are these in... Well, they're dirty, but... They seem to be in okay condition, I think. You should check condition.
Yeah, see, the thing is they're dirty.
Yeah, but I could clean them.
That
Just water's not going to hurt
kind of
them.
scratched up.
Not hot water, but... Yeah. Oh, it was a washboard.
You're the one that I do now.
No.
I'm okay.
People want too much for them now. We used to get them for $1 or $2.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if you guys heard, but everything on that little table there is free.
Oh, okay. I'll have a look at
So that
that.
stuff.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, there's some nails and stuff. These finishing nails. Susie needs some.
Okay.
Oh, and these ones. But like, I don't have a use for any that big. And what about the
Hardware?
hinges? No. What's in here? No, I don't need that stuff.
Screws.
They're nice and long though. Yeah, I'll get those. That's my other one there. Oh. Some other small nails.
I've got so many cats that walk along with the fence.
What can you tell me about her?
Well, Mom,
Oh.
what do you know about this doll?
The old neighbor across the street who's been probably dead for 20 years, he got that from a lady that was older than him. So I don't know how old that doll would be. There's actually a little note in here. I don't know if you saw it or
we saw the
not.
little
Yeah.
note.
Some
We were looking
guy
at
I
it.
worked with did some research for me, knew somebody or something, and that anyway they said
The
it one
kewpie
time.
doll and
It was
Or
mostly-
one of the Campbell kids.
yeah.
kid.
Anyway, it was
Yeah.
given to actually my daughter, who was much smaller at the time. He gave that to her because his old lady friend had left it for him. He was looking after her affairs.
Oh yeah, I
Yeah.
see.
So that belonged to a very old lady who's probably been dead for 25 years.
That's all.
she's 65 and this is
No, she's 55.
Oh, I'm sorry, 55. And this is 5.
Yeah,
Would you go 45?
sure.
Okay. All right.
What do you do with the cylinder records?
We
I have,
have
a,
a
player,
player.
a working 1907 Thomas Edison model cylinder record player.
Well, I've got one too.
Do ya?
Well, mine's a
Thank you.
Thank
small
you.
one, but it's on a big cabinet.
Okay.
It's got the drawers underneath.
Okay.
Nice.
Keep the cylinder record.
And do you know what
Yeah.
year yours is?
Oh, it's an Edison.
It is an Edison, okay.
Yeah, I can't remember. I don't know what year.
Based on the, I think we figured it out based on the serial number that ours is 1907.
Oh,
Yeah.
I should actually look for the serial
Yeah,
number
there's, you can look it
and
up.
find out.
Yeah. Hey, stranger.
Hey. How are you?
Good.
How are you?
Good. 5 for Grandma, 40 for me.
Yeah, look
our
at
baby.
that.
Do you like our new baby?
Very
Isn't it
Isn't
neat?
that nice?
It is nice.
I thought she'd go good in our house. And then we got some more cylinder record players or records.
For the record player?
Yeah. Mhm. Exactly. So that's right. All right.
Have a good day. See you later,
Thank
Pam.
you.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
too. I just happened to look in here.
Yeah, here comes
walking up
Pam.
the driveway.
She's so sweet. Where the hell are we parking?
I don't know. I think we're up here. So,
Are we?
yeah, second unscheduled garage sale in a row, and second pretty cool find in a
Yeah.
row here.
You never know with the unscheduleds. Yeah, she's pretty neat. She's old.
Yes. Do you want to carry her?
Sure.
I'm worried that.
Oh yeah, there we are. I was like, I got carried away in there, and I came out, and I had no idea where the truck was.
Yeah, we're over there.
Yeah. Okay,
You might
so
have to unlock the
yeah.
truck here. I almost did it again. I thought that was more than it was.
Yeah.
Like yesterday with that other thing.
Oh, that's okay. I was watching this time. So she'll go on the seat.
Okay.
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 Still going.
Oh, right. Holy.
Yeah. Just because there's a whole bunch of garage sales around here all of a sudden that, I mean, we're on our way to one that's on the list, but
Yeah.
we keep passing by all these ones and it's like, well, I guess we should stop, and it's a good thing we have because we've got two incredible finds. That Kewpie doll or whatever, the Campbell kid, and then that Roseville.
Yeah. Yeah, Roseville. That's might have to keep that one. I don't know. It's pretty awesome.
It's probably the biggest piece of Roseville I've ever seen.
Me too.
There's a garage sale.
Chinook. Were we on? No, I think I saw a sign for it though.
Okay,
But
let's
yeah.
go to that one. Another unscheduled.
Sure.
Yep. Let's go.
Okay.
I'll just check the battery. Oh,
Change it.
dead. Yep.
Okay. Oh my God. The sun? Is that what is that?
Did I feel a little bit of heat
What
on
is
my
that?
face?
What is that bright light in the sky?
The aliens landing.
It must be. I haven't seen it all day today. Wow, looks promising. Lots of stuff.
Yeah.
That little doghouse.
Oh yeah, look at that little thing.
It's cute. Oh, these are just shorts.
You can grab that one, Dave?
But
Oh, there you go, silver. The cuffs are all.
just rolled up. But yeah, stepped on. But they are the right size. Yes, no?
I don't know. It's up to you. I guess, how much are they?
I don't know. Probably a couple bucks by the looks of things.
Yeah, if you think they're the right size. I mean, those are expensive jeans, so
Are they?
I think so. The other ones looked pretty good on you.
Yeah, these are them that I'm wearing right now.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
No.
What's the... Doesn't have the length. Oh, here. 30, same as these. You can always cut them off
Yeah.
if I don't. Yeah, I know the silver brand fits me nice.
Yeah.
Because sometimes, like,
They're weird.
try
cuts
to...
or
I know,
something,
and you
yeah.
put them on, you're like, whose body is this for? Not mine. Buffalo. Oh yeah, these are those. These are kind of cute. These shorts.
Yeah, if you think they'll fit.
Probably.
The price is right,
They're
so.
really. Feel how soft they are.
Oh yeah.
What are these? These are. Oh, got stains on them. Oh, where's the? Did you fold it in?
Oops.
Yeah. I think buffalo is expensive too.
Oh, hi there.
Oh, hello.
Hi. I have a couple of the shorts, and then I don't know how much the jeans are.
Yeah, they didn't have a price tag.
No.
They must have come off. Oh, looks like you probably need a hem on them. Oh, $2.
So $5 for both?
$5 for both, yeah.
Sure.
Don't forget to breathe, buddy.
Yeah. Must be good.
He's advertising the drinks.
Yeah. Making me thirsty.
Sounds quenching.
Yes. Thanks a lot. Okay.
Yep. Let's keep going.
Hey.
Hello.
Hi.
Why don't you guys I need to.
Oh,
do ya?
Thank you.
Cool.
Again.
Yeah. Hey, there you go. That's funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, that never gets old.
No.
No. Huh?
Forgot.
Got your phone.
Your phone?
My phone? It's not ours. No. Yeah, it's not our phone. But thanks.
Thanks anyway, bud. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I've got my phone.
I didn't think you would take it out and set it down
No.
somewhere. So.
I thought that's what he was saying. You forgot your phone. You forgot your phone. And I'm
Aw.
like, what?
Cute little thing.
Okay.
Okay.
Still going. That was
Yeah.
another unscheduled, I think.
Yep. Yeah, those one pair might have to be either shorts or I'll roll them up.
Yeah.
But I know that brand fits me nice.